The black security guys think they own the street. What's wrong with standing on the street in front of the store? Who do they think they are? Clearly just normal employees. Poor experience for moms and dads. Kids loved it. I'm still trying to figure it out. Aren't we all, Glenn? Aren't we all? Bruh, I waited 49 hours for someone to come help me with the Supreme Costco collab, but no one came.
Terrible! 1 star. I am very disappointed with what I saw today. I wanted to buy a hoodie for my daughter, and I found out there were absolutely no clothes for kids. Ridiculous! Knowing this brand has become a huge thing. Truly disappointed.
Rudest staff I've ever seen. Why work in sales if you hate dealing with people? Supreme seem to only hire cocky, stuck-up kids who think they're better than everyone else.
Extremely rude security guards outside. They think they are.
Always wear fake Supreme to the Supreme store. Good advice. They're always sold out of Bapin Palace. Geez, the store is closed. Your website says it's open until 6 o'clock. Nobody answers the phone to ask about other locations. Very disappointed son and mom. Here from Wisconsin.
This is not, I repeat, not a brand or shop for skateboarders anymore. The Richie Rich children of New York City have bastardized this brand into a former shell of itself. It's quite sad, to be honest.
1 star. Too bad that it is being ruined for true fans by resellers, posers. I'm a true fan and will never pay what all these greedy posers that just want to make money off something that is popular, cause Drake or some douche wears it. Quit being followers, people. So basically, F Supreme and all the posers that wear it now. Even though I, Richard Dubas, once loved Supreme, but I can't wear stuff because other people like it. Wah, wah, I'm not special anymore. Goddamn, this stove is the bee's knees. Super small, to be honest. And they played Future, which was lit. My granddad was in there and started dancing. I once punched a guy here. A+++. Marty is old and grumpy. Why wasn't he killed in action in the First World War? Dressing room is really nice. Lack of mirror really entices purchases. Josh is smoking hot, sweet and kind. I would like to get my hands on him during
Room Springer! Woo!
Worst manager ever. Marty. Never smiles. Rude and racist.
My son loves this place. They feel very hip. The fact I actually said hip should be an indication that I'm a bit older than their target shopper. I tripped and this guy ate my ass, but it's okay. I got a Supreme hoodie out of it. I don't know why everyone says it's great quality clothes. Most of their stuff is printed on Hanes, so it's Hanes quality. Went to pick up some things for my grandson. Place too noisy. Don't go there if you like Supreme. Wait, what? Good on them, but is this really worth the line, sheeple? Sheeple. I'm confused. Is this a skate shop?
Banging on my chest.
The employees are ass. Thanks, Will Zip. 1 star. Horrible and rude security. The waiting line is at the outside of the pedestrian, and a little bit far away from the front door, the side right near the road, which it's confused. So I walked directly to the front door. When I tried to open the glass door, the security guy, an African American, literally took my hand off the handles and pushed me hard. Then he said, "Did you see the line?" I was confused and asked, "What line?" He pointed the waiting line behind me. I turned around to see where he pointed. This guy just pushed me and said, "Way back there." I was kind of interested in this brand before, but after this experience, I will never come and never buy any Supreme products.